Are you a sales enablement practitioner who focuses on developing sales talent? What if there was an experience that was designed with you in mind? ATD SELL is an intimate 3-day experience where practitioners can come together to learn from top experts in the sales enablement field and focus on the art and science of developing sales talent. If you're looking to accelerate development efforts in your organization and deliver more value with less, then SELL is for you. At SELL, you'll connect with other sales practitioners like you. You'll network and engage with top experts and participate in hands-on workshops that will equip you with proven methods, making you indispensable to leaders. Our carefully curated sessions and incredible lineup of speakers, including Mike Kunkle, Stephanie White, Paul Butterfield, Peter Ostrow, and Dayna Williams, will provide you with insights and action plans to help you drive the most impact in your work. If you can choose only one enablement event to attend this year, and development is critical to your success, then SELL is the event you won't want to miss. We're set to cover topics such as communicating value to senior leaders, how AI is shaping the way we coach and train, and developing customer-centric revenue teams. You'll walk away with an incomparable blueprint and be equipped to continue critical conversations around sales development. That's the ATD SELL difference. This year's event is happening in the beautiful and historic Old Town Alexandria, Virginia, from October 28th to October 30th. Be sure to reserve your spot now to take advantage of the early bird rate. We'll see you in October.